On this week's episode of This Old House, Jacob, Heather, and I have our hands full trying to get this place sold. We need furniture, we need a broom, and a mop. Maybe even some extra boards, hammers, and nails. Tune in next week to see what we turn this baby into. And now the house is complete. Move that box! Isn't it beautiful? We put so much work into it, now it's fancy.
You got us in the shed.
CDT, day 37, and it is snowing like the dickens out there. So we're going to the post office, and then we're going to see if we can get a hitch, because I don't really want to walk in this too much. Plus, I am vastly underprepared, because I left my backpack and all of my winter gear back at Ghost Ranch. Smart move by me. Alright, I have a new getup out in the snow because we passed by the Chama Visitor Center and they had a CDT hiker box that had a bunch of winter clothes and stuff in it. So I found this little number, winter hat. I also got this little number, this little sweater, and there's an even cuter sweater underneath, but maybe I can show you. Yeah, it's I'll have to show you later because it's pretty good, but and some gloves because we had to walk to the post office and it's really cold, so just grab some warm clothes for the ride and just throw them in a hiker box when I'm done. That's the whole deal. But we got everything done, got to the post office, got my stuff sent out. My new Darn Tough socks came in because all my socks had holes in them, so that's perfect. And now we're just waiting for the bus to catch a ride back into Ghost Ranch, where we'll be staying another night because of the weather. So tomorrow morning we'll be heading out. Other than that, things are going pretty well. It has been cold, but we've gotten a couple hitches, so we were able to get to and fro pretty easily. And now we got some Captain Morgan for tonight, and I think we're going to split a cabin so we can stay inside and stay warm and just enjoy the night. And tomorrow we'll be heading up into the mountains and getting to it. There you go, guys. This is the sweater I found in the hiker box. Kind of like a sweater vest right now, so I think it's working pretty nice. It adds to the ensemble. And I was actually able to get a hitch from a bus, so it worked out pretty well. So now, instead of going back to Ghost Ranch, we are now staying in Chama because we found a place that has cheap rooms. So in Ghost Ranch, the best you can do is $100 a night for a cottage and shared bathrooms and stuff like that. But for here, $20 each, $25 each, and we now have a full-on suite. So you're checking out the bathroom right now, and pretty standard, stand-up shower. But we also got the master bed, which I'll leave to the two young lovebirds that I'm with. And then we've got a full-on kitchen, dining room, and bedroom/living room. So it's a pretty good time. Oh, and some Captain Morgan. Oh boy, better open that up. Talk about juicing with jandals. You want to see happiness? How about Captain Morgan?
Did not go well for a while.
The Office.
And it was hard to see.
And a bed. I am happy.
It's just nice to win.
Just went out to dinner with a bunch of other hikers. I think there's 7 of us in total, so I'm starting to meet a lot of people. There's a bit of a bubble here. There might be 20 hikers in this town right now, but pretty cool people, really nice. Some people just took us to their cabin and gave us some shave ice and some alcohol and some drinks, like all for free, and then drove us back to where we were going, and then went out to dinner. And real nice time. So now everybody's going to come over to our suite and we can have a little bit of a party. So I got my party vest on, my a little sweater I got from the hiker box. You know, you got to look good for the people. Oh God, I'm an idiot.
Hey y'all, it's Jandals in the Dark again. Just calling to tell you that not much else happened today. We ended up watching Apollo 13 and had drinks and talked about people's previous thru hikes, and there's probably like 8 or 9 of us in total, so it was a good time. And just had a lot of drinks, and now I am settling into bed because I only have 4 hours till I have to wake up and take the 5 a.m. shuttle back to Ghost Ranch so that we can actually start hiking. Believe it or not, this is the first time on any through hike that I've done that I have had a double zero. That is the first time that I've taken more than 1 day off. So I'm feeling pretty well rested and excited to get back to it. So I'm going to fall asleep now and end this very short day. And then we'll see you in the morning. Thanks for joining me.